Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood lived with her mother at the edge of the forest. One day her mother said, "Granny is ill. Take her some biscuits and jam." Little Red Riding Hood filled a basket and set off through the forest to Granny's house. A wolf saw Little Red Riding Hood and got hungry. He didn't want to eat the biscuits and jam, too. He wanted to eat her. So first, he went to Granny's house and locked Granny up. Then he put on Granny's clothes and got into bed to wait for Little Red Riding Hood. When she got to the house, Little Red thought that the wolf was Granny. She said, "Oh, Granny, what big eyes you have." The wolf grinned and said, "All the better to see you with, my dear." Little Red Riding Hood then said, "Oh, Granny, what big teeth you have." The wolf said, "All the better to eat you with." Oh no! The wolf tried gobbling up Little Red Riding Hood. A woodsman passing by looked through the window and saw the wolves trying to get Little Red Riding Hood. He rushed inside and got rid of the wolf. Little Red Riding Hood and Granny were saved, and they all live happily ever after.